Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet this pretty snowflake with silver trim and the diameter of about 4.5 inches. I will be working using this cotton thread size 10 and my hook is almost 2 millimeters. For the last round, I am going to use this silver metallic thread of the same size, but of course it's optional. Any thread you like can be used, including just continue working using white thread. We'll start with the magic loop, in which we'll make a round of double crochet stitches. I am making a magic loop like this. I will close it a little. We'll make chain 3 instead of the first double crochet, and then double crochet stitches. So I have made 2, 3, 4. Continue making double crochets, please, until you make 18 of them. I have made 18 double crochets, close the loop, and we'll now make a slip stitch in the third beginning chain. Before moving on, I will use a needle to fix the magic loop, and I will pass the needle on the left side of work in at least 2 different directions. One and 2, like this. In the second round, in each double crochet stitch, we'll be making single crochets in groups of 3, and between them chain 9. Instead of the first single crochet, I'm making chain 1 and a single crochet in the next double crochet. So we'll begin with 2 single crochets. Now chain 9, 3, 6, 9, and without skipping any stitches, I'll continue making single crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 9 again, and once again 3 single crochets. Continue making chain 9 and 3 single crochets, please, and at the end make a slip stitch in this first beginning chain. Like this, I have made the last single crochet, and now a slip stitch in this first chain that we made instead of the first single crochet. This way we ended work in the middle of this group of 3 single crochets where we need to be. In the next round we'll be making single crochets in the middle single crochet of each group of 3, and then in chain 9 we'll be making 6 single crochets, chain 3, and 6 single crochets again. Instead of the first single crochet, once again chain 1, and now single crochets in chain 9 space. 1, 2, 3, try to make them quite tight. 4, 5, 6, chain 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first single crochet, make a single crochet in the second one, skip the next single crochet, and start making 6 single crochets and chain 9 space. 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 single crochet here. Continue making these groups of 6 and 6 single crochets, and at the end make a slip stitch in this first beginning chain. In round 4, we'll continue making a single crochet in each single crochet here between the rays of the snowflake, and then we'll be making chain 7. In chain 3 space, a double crochet, chain 3, and a double crochet, and chain 7 again. So once again, start with chain 1 and then chain 7. 7. Now we are working in this chain 3 space, a double crochet, chain 3, a double crochet, chain 7, a single crochet in the single crochet here, chain 7, a double crochet, chain 3, a double crochet, chain 7, and a single crochet. Continue this round this way, please. And if you are going to use different thread for the next round, cut off this thread after you get here to the end and make a slip stitch in this first beginning chain. In the last round, in each chain 7 space, we'll be making 9 single crochets, then small picots in double crochets and in chain 3 space, and 9 single crochets again. I finished the previous round here. I won't join thread in this place so that I wouldn't have to deal with 2 ends of thread at the same time. So I'm joining thread here using this single crochet, and now I will work in this end of thread and will make 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, enough of this thread. In each double crochet we'll be making a single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet. In each chain 3 space, we'll be making 2 single crochets, chain 4 to make the speaker a little longer, and 2 single crochets again. And here we have a double crochet, so once again a single crochet, chain 3 and a single crochet in the same place. And now 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll be skipping these single crochets, so I'm moving on to the next chain 7 and I'm making 9 single crochets also. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A single crochet in the double crochet, chain 3, another single crochet in the same place, and here we are going to make a loop hanger. So I'm making 2 single crochets and the chain approximately 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now I'll make a slip stitch in the second chain stitch and another chain stitch, and now 2 more single crochets. And now to the double crochet, once again a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and 9 single crochets in chain 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is what it should look like. Continue working on this round, please. When you get here, work in this end of thread also, and at the end cut off and weave in the last end of thread. When everything is ready, the snowflake needs to be starched. I have a video on my channel about how to give shape to crocheted items. Watch it if you need to. The link is on your screens now. And after you starch the snowflake, it's a good idea to use a scheme like this to shape it. The scheme is easy to make. Just draw a few concentric circles and divide them into 12 equal parts. Then cover the paper with plastic wrap or even thin cotton cloth and use non-rusting pins to pin each end of the snowflake in place. And when it is dry, iron it through cotton cloth. This is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please push the like button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, but would like to be informed of all the new projects, consider subscribing and pushing the notification bell. See you next time. Bye-bye.